Rediscover your home, March deep cleaning with Komffy Maids. As the crispness of spring begins to fill the air, now is the perfect time to breathe new life into your living space with a thorough deep cleaning. Komffy Maids is here to guide you in rediscovering the joy of a flawlessly clean home this March. The importance of deep cleaning in March. March signifies the transition from winter to spring, making it an opportune time to address deep cleaning tasks that may have been overlooked during the colder months. As days grow longer and temperatures rise, dust and allergens can accumulate rapidly, affecting indoor air quality and overall comfort. Comprehensive cleaning solutions. At Komffy Maids, we acknowledge that every home is unique, which is why we offer customized cleaning solutions tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you require a one-time deep cleaning or ongoing maintenance services, our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to delivering exceptional results with attention to detail and efficiency. Professional expertise and quality assurance. With Komffy Maids, you can trust that your home is in capable hands. Our cleaning technicians are thoroughly trained, insured, and equipped with the latest tools and techniques to deliver superior cleaning results. Embrace a fresh start with Komffy Maids. This March, take the first step towards a cleaner, healthier home by scheduling a deep cleaning service with Komffy Maids. Rediscover the joy of coming home to a space that's not only tidy and organized but also free from the stress of cleaning chores. Don't wait any longer. Contact Komffy Maids today to schedule your appointment. March deep cleaning with Komffy Maids is your gateway to a home that deserves nothing less than perfection.